Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof of one of the website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. When minimum withdrawal is this much, I earn this much coin right now. I can withdraw my funds. I will make much more withdraw from this website. You can withdraw any cryptocurrency you want. Just I want to withdraw dogecoin. Okay, just I click dogecoin. I go to my Faucet pay, open my Faucet pay, copy my dogecoin wallet address, then I come here, paste it in here. Okay, I paste my dogecoin wallet address. I just click withdraw. Okay, this website, our dogecoin, this website pay you instantly. If this website didn't have any balance right now, you can withdraw another cryptocurrency. This website pay you. Okay, right now you can see this website didn't pay me dogecoin because didn't have dogecoin right now. Just I want to withdraw Litecoin. Okay, just I click Litecoin, go to my Faucet pay, copy my Litecoin wallet address and come here, paste it. Okay, sorry, I paste the wrong one. Okay, I paste Litecoin, just I click withdraw. Okay, now you can see this website pay me this much Satoshi of Litecoin instantly in my Faucet page. As I click okay, go to my Faucet page, go to my dashboard and come down, and you can see this website pay me instantly this much Litecoin. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and this website link available in the description. You can easily earn your free cryptocurrency and easily make withdrawal from this website. If this website didn't pay you Litecoin, you can choose another cryptocurrency. This website pay you 100%, not fake with you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. This all video is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.